So what we find that we're helping people with is there's a challenge in the marketplace, either opening up new markets, opening up access to new customers, or looking at organisations and the opportunity for business improvement. There'll often be one of two or maybe one of three reasons why an organisation comes to us. They've got a challenge where they want to tap into a new marketplace, there's a tendering requirement or a customer's requirement to get certified. And often what we see is the three different certification logos that we've got here, or five in this case, where we've got quality systems to ISO 9001, AS 4801 or ISO 45001 for OH&S, ISO 14001 for environment, ISO 27001 for information security management systems, or HACCP and food safety management systems. So often that's put forward as a customer requirement, and then there's a challenge. So you've got a challenge, there's a need to get certified, we've got to get this certification, we've got to get this thing in place so that we can access that customer base or make or submit that tender. The other aspect of this is obviously there's an opportunity to put a management system in place and have continual improvement across the business. So have staff engagement, have people complying with systems and processes that have been put in place, so we get the same desirable outcomes for our products and services as we deliver those to our customers. So part of our strategy here at Best Practice is obviously to offer certification so we can help you meet your customer's requirement, but also to guide and inspire your team as you participate in that journey. So yes, you're going to get certified, but why not take the opportunity to leverage that certification for a whole bunch of reasons? I'm going to share with you some of those elements to our service that are going to help to grow your business. They're going to help to increase your productivity, your profitability, your staff engagement, and make your organisation more desirable for your customer. So some of the other features and benefits associated with having a management system implemented. Now, some organisations choose to not go forward with certification, they just choose to implement the systems, and we can definitely assist you with that. Either you can just consume all of our content on our YouTube channel and you can watch that and you can do some of our training courses. It's totally up to you to look at how we can engage with you in the space that you feel is most valuable. But what I will just communicate with you now is some of the points that are in our customer brochure, which is this particular document, that talk about the benefits of having a management system and the benefits of certification. So obviously, being able to communicate to your customers and externally in the marketplace that you're certified is a piece on authority. So it positions your business with authority and strength and sustainability because you've got this certification mark that you can use. You've got a certificate on the wall that says your system's in place. However, there's these other benefits. So obviously financial. There's always a positive financial impact of certification in that it opens up opportunities to approach customers where certification is a mandatory requirement. So it's not about thinking about the bureaucracy of a management system, whether it be quality, safety or environment. It's about thinking about that customer's looking for that rigour and intent and compliance in that space. So yeah, there's a financial impact. You can grow your top line revenues in your organisation by having certification. But equally, the second financial benefit is embracing the concepts of the management systems and improving every day. Then improvements every day are going to cause efficiencies, and efficiency is going to help you with your bottom line. We feel here at Best Practice in our interactions with our clients over the years, and we've seen organisations that are certified have very simple, transparent and easy transactions where their systems and processes and their operations manual, if you like, is being documented, and that's been quite a valuable element of the business transaction or the business sale that's taken place, and hence the share price is more. So I think that's something to think about in the context of any organisation, even if you're a not-for-profit, is that there is a huge amount of value in terms of having systems and processes to refer back to. People have got systems and processes that they can follow, and then obviously somebody external comes in and validates that those things are documented, implemented and maintained. Getting certified or having a management system in place and using an organisation like Best Practice, displaying the certification mark on your vehicles, on your business card, on your website, all of those places is a great opportunity to promote a piece on authority, and having authority, we all know, is a great selling point to your customers. The two other aspects that contribute value to your organisation as you move through a certification journey or the systems implementation, one is innovation, looking at customer confidence and customer retention. With an organisation that's continually improving its systems and innovating, we also have this other benefit where customers are having better and better, more favourable experiences each time they interact with your service. And if they have a positive, amazing, uplifting experience with your business, and it can be attributed to the fact that you've got a system of improvement in place and that system's certified, then they're going to keep coming back. And we all know that looking after your existing customers is much, much cheaper than procuring new ones. I see it as being something critical is to watch what we're doing, ask questions, interact with us, spend time with us, join our live events, our webinars, our YouTube videos, our training in our training portal.